What's up? It is a new day, a new life, not really a new life. I'm going to be making one of my personal favorite dishes of all time, GALBI. GALBI is Korean braised short ribs, and I have one little complaint about GALBI. It's not really a complaint, it's specifically the texture of short ribs. If you sous vide short ribs at 62 degrees Celsius for about 24 to 48 hours, instead of a kind of fall apart braised short rib, you can slice into it kind of like a Wagyu steak almost. It is, in my opinion, the best texture and finish to get on a short rib. I'm gonna be cooking that dish in something a little different today. This is the musui-kamado by Vermicular. So this is the musui, and it is the Japanese enamel cast iron pot. And unlike most cast iron pots, the lid and pot are hand machined to fit perfectly, or less than 0.1 millimeter of variance. This is the induction cooktop, the kamado, and it's based off of traditional Japanese style cooktops. It's a three-dimensional induction cooktop, and what that means is that not only does it cook from the bottom up, it cooks from the sides as well. So it's like all directions of heat transferring. And because this is an induction precision cooker, we can cook to an exact temperature degree, essentially the same as sous vide cooking. I'm gonna be able to cook this in kombudashi and more aromatics, something that's a lot more difficult to do in a vacuum sealed bag or a sous vide bag that you cook in. I'm just gonna show you how to prep this right now. Got some short ribs. Yes, I know they look a little dark. It's because I've just been aging them for about a week. 3, 5, 8. Just season them heavily with salt. We got a carrot. Oh, that's freaking good. do a touch of this. And that's basically it. I set it to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. That's around 62.35 degrees Celsius. And we're gonna set this to about 11 hours and just let this go overnight. It's done. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna go to bed. Good night. What up? So it's been about 11-ish hours. How this works, by the way, is because of the hand machine seal between the lid and the pot, traps all the moisture and aromas inside, so it also yields a better product. I already took the liberty of measing out some of our other ingredients that are going to go into our kalbi. Oh. God dang. I'm gonna take these out first. So as it comes up to a boil, you can put in some of our vegetables that take longer to cook. Some carrots, potatoes, and some mushrooms. Oh my God. Let's add some tepa. Oh, I'm just gonna put a little bit. Some rice cakes. Oh my freaking Lord. So I wanna show you the texture of this short rib. I'm just gonna take it off the bone. I think it just comes off, yeah, it just comes off. Look at that. Look at the marbling on it and the texture. The fact that I can cut it like a steak is crazy. Like, do y'all see this? The texture? It's like steak, which is why I like this part. This is, if you don't want to spend the money on Wagyu, this is how you do it. I used to serve this dish at my supper club in college, and people would lose it because they're like, this tastes like the best steak they've ever had. Because with short rib, when it shreds, it's good, but it's a little too, sometimes it gets too stringy and weird. This looks crazy. A little bit of sauce on top. Torch. Open up all the way. And then you shake. That's how your plants. Take some of the sauce. Drench it in sauce. Drench it on the rice. Oh my God. Main point I want to drive in with this whole concept is that you can't get short rib that tastes like, it actually tastes like Wagyu because it's the marbling, the texture, it's like a steak, unreal. But you can't get this done without a precision cooker like the Vermicular. This is so good. I really like how this can do everything. Rice, braising, sous vide, precision cooking, steam roasting. Highly recommend you try this recipe. If If you really want to do it and you don't have this, you can do it in a sous vide. This is on another level. This tastes so good. Hope you enjoy this. I'll put the full recipe in the description and see you all later.